let's go ahead and see what's inside of this box. I am so happy, and I got this early. Actually, I was supposed to get this, they said either January 5th or the 6th. This Addi came all the way from Germany. There weren't any king size Addis in the US where I can actually order from. And by the time I ordered this off of Amazon, Hirschner's had already restocked their Addis. So it was a little bit too late for me because I'd already bought into this. But oh my goodness, look at this. I've been waiting to get this box. So I just had to share it with you. Oh, and it's packaged so beautifully. On this side of the box, it shows what it's equipped with. 46 needles, a needle holder, takeoff needle, 5 replacement needles, 4 feet, a row counter, and 2 screw fasteners for table mounting, which I definitely will be using. So it's saying also that we can create mittens, scarves, and caps in just 20 minutes. Success in no time flat is guaranteed. I am excited. We can also create circular, knit, or straight pieces. The shape of this box reminds me of my grandmother's hat boxes. She used to have boxes shaped like this. So you just open it up. Oh my word, look at here. Oh, this is awesome. Oh wow, this is great. I'm loving it. See if I can pull this out with one hand. I'll come right back because I won't be able to do that. Ooh, here's some pieces. Okay, so it does come with a manual, which is wonderful because a lot of places don't include manuals, not even for phones. So I'm happy to see that. This is protecting the hand crank, which is wonderful. Ooh, I can't wait. And there is a stitch counter. Can you all see that? Right here. This is great. I have seen on Altnot's channel, I've actually seen her use her Addi machine, and I was just telling her in one of her live streams that I was really excited about getting mine. Let's see, this is an Addi stopper, 2 Addi stoppers that are included. Oh, this is wonderful, and you see how that works? It gives you a visual right there. Awesome. You can set the web width of your knitting completely individually. Okay. There's the Addi Express logo. That stitch counter I was telling you about. And there is a little button right here. Circular knitting, it says. So I have to read the instructions and see what that's all about. But this is very nice. So I went ahead and I laid all of my pieces out. If you start from the bottom here, these are going to be the feet. These 2 right here would be the clamps. These are replacement needles. You have a plastic needle, and I don't know what this thing is here because it did not say in the book. But so far, they've given some pretty good directions except for that black piece. I'm not sure what that is yet. So, oh, and also, like if you want to find out how to screw on the legs, it's easy. Just flip it over, and then you're going to just screw them in like this. Oh, so they go down in there deeply. So you're doing just like that. Just take them all the way around. So voila, as you can see, the legs are on. Also, I wanted to let you know, make sure that when you're starting to do your project, that red button is flipped up to plain knitting. And yes, these instructions are in various languages. I saw German, English, and French so far. What I like about this is if you look very closely, you will see that this manual will show you how to start a project and where to put your yarn. And I did notice right here in this little paragraph, it did say black needles are not used for plain knitting. So maybe this particular black needle that they included is for circular knitting. There are tips and tricks in the back, and they are as follows. They talk about total row count, size conversion, plain knitting, yarns, decorative seams, ribbon yarn casting off, reverse single crochet stitch, mattress stitch, and multicolored knitting. So I like this little troubleshooting page too, because if for some reason your crank stops working or stitches are being dropped and things like that, and how to change the needle, it will tell you in the back right here. So I am hoping that this unboxing was very helpful for you. I'm just excited about this machine, my new machine, and what projects and things I will be creating. But right now I have too many whips to count, and I need to backtrack and get those going. But I don't know. I might just give this a whirl. Also on the back, I just wanted to let you know that online, you can go there. You can either use that scan code right there, that QR code, or you can go online or on their YouTube channel on Addi Express live application. You can go there and you can get more information on how to use your Addi. Well, thank you very much for your time and have a wonderful and glorious day.